Good day, everybody. I baked a couple loaves of bread for Paul Fromm's get-together today on Civic Holiday Monday. And last time I baked some white flour bread. This time I'm baking spelt bread for the people. I hope they enjoy this one. But there was a strange occurrence. It's probably completely explainable by just me not being able to cut a straight line anymore. It's been a while since I've had to do that. But anyway, this bread here has a nice relief on top. You're supposed to cut the loaf when you put it in the oven of the raw dough to give it the relief it needs to be able to spring and rise, right? So I've done that on this one. I've put an X on top. But on this loaf here, and I might start cutting them this way as well. But right now I usually cut like from left to right. And for some reason I cut on an angle, so I pulled it out. I said to myself, oh, look at this, I baked myself a Diagaloaf. Anyway, you guys have a real good day. And hey, look at this. I think it rose fairly well in the center too. It sprung nicely, so it's pretty good. It didn't look like this when it came out of the oven, though. It takes a few minutes for it to bake itself to completion. And then you can hear it cracking, almost like ice forming, right? When you're standing on the ice, you can hear it banging. Well, the bread bangs too on the table. You can hear it just cracking away as it cools and it grows. So it's pretty good. All right, everybody have a good day.